Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review on a foundation. I have the Maybelline 24-hour Superstay foundation. I've heard a lot of things about this foundation, a lot of good things mainly, and I was like, oh, I need to try it. Today I'm going to be doing a review. I'm going to do one side of my face using a brush and the other side of my face using a beauty blender. And we're just going to see how we like the foundation, whether or not it really is what it claims to be. And then I actually have the claims here, so I want to read them out to you guys. So it claims to be Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation delivers 24-hour wear for concentrated coverage and a flawless finish that doesn't fade or shift all day. The benefits include be your own professional makeup artist with this 24-hour foundation. Saturated pigments provide an ultra transforming effect in this long-lasting foundation. This lightweight yet impact coverage formula glides onto the skin for a flawless makeup finish that lasts all day. Oil-free, doesn't clog pores, dermatologist tested. I'm just going to go in with my usual Nivea Men's Post Shave Balm primer. Well, I use it as a primer. I've already done my eyebrows. Hoping that Warm Sun is my color. I didn't see a wide shade range. 16 shades. So the color that I have is 334 Warm Sun. And then the next color that they have up is 355 Coconut. So there's definitely plenty of other tones in between that, so it can there's definitely room for improvement there. I'm gonna take the back of my hand because it's clean. One pump looks like this. Alright, I'm gonna start with two pumps. I'm gonna zoom in. I'm gonna start with this side of my face is going to be the brush side, so I'm dipping in. Well, it's definitely full coverage because I have dark marks along the side of my face. Actually, that color is not too bad. Alright, so with this remainder, I might need a little bit more, but I'm gonna put it on my face. Yeah, I'm gonna need more. So for me, a big indicator on whether or not something is full coverage or not is if it can cover my dark marks. And so far it's doing that, so okay, so now that the foundation is on, I'm going to do the rest of my face off camera just so I can see how everything applies, and then I'll come back and give you guys my not so final but final thoughts. So I'll be right back. Guys, I'm back. I applied a full face of makeup, concealer, powder, the whole nine. I'll zoom in so you guys can see like exactly how it looks. So see, and this is like I have daylight come in from my window and I have two white lights going on, but this is nice. Everything so far I like a lot. I even like my end result. I feel like it's actually the perfect match for me around this time of year, I'll say, because I do get dark, so I'm obviously not going to be able to match with this color, but at this time of year, this is my perfect color. Even like the way that the powders applied on top, I will say, surprised me, because usually I always have issues with putting on like powder, whether they look too white or they're not showing up at all. So that's definitely a plus, and it's so full coverage. Like, this is exactly what I like in a foundation. So right now it's 4:32. I have class at 6, and that lasts until about 8:40. So I know obviously I didn't get a full day's worth out of this foundation. So yeah, we'll see if we really do like it by the end of the night before I take it off. How it gets. I do get oily, but I am dry in the winter time, so a lot of those factors are going to play into whether or not I like it enough to recommend everybody. So yeah, I'll be back with you guys a little later. All right, so it's 8:57. I went to class. I was outside for a little bit, just kind of to walk to and from class, but nothing really major. And so far the makeup has held up pretty nice. Let me zoom in so you could attempt to see what I'm talking about. And now I've been so dry around here, also right here, and over top of my eyebrows. So that's really weird, but a little bit of the makeup kind of collected right there, but not too serious for me to be like alarming or for me to, you know, dislike it because of that. Yeah, so I know that it wasn't a really long amount of time that I've had the makeup on, but for the short amount of time that I've had it on, I usually do get oily, and I usually notice that it's transferring or it fades or something like that. Like, there's always something with a foundation that I use. Even with the Clinique and the Kat Von D mixture that I did in the Jaclyn Hill video, I noticed that it transferred a lot. With this, no transfer at all. I didn't even set my makeup with a powder, I just sprayed it. So that definitely tells me something, because even when I set it with the powder and spray it, it's a little bit of transferring. Let's do a paper towel test. Let's see. Alright, I'm tripping or nah, but look at that. What? Alright, this is crazy. I'm literally patting my face. Like, I could scrub it off if I wanted to, and look how much came off. Now I'm telling you, when I use my other foundations, it literally will be all over my clothes, on my coat, no matter how much I set it, no matter what. And I gotta probably attribute that to my new setting spray as well, but the foundation, it's always the foundation that is coming off, and it hasn't come off. My face looks so natural. The color matches me like perfectly. Like, is this my new favorite foundation? Oh my god, it might be. Okay. Alright, you guys. More of the story, I love this foundation. And I'm just so happy that I tried it out, because this means that I can suggest it to you guys, which means that you guys can be popping just like me. Duh. So, yeah, I guess that's really it. Like, I'm in love with this. I'm in love with this face. Alright, guys, that is the end of this review. I hope you guys go out and try it. If you do, let me know, tag me, whatever. Follow me on my social media. I'll leave them below and also in my description box. And I hope you guys stay tuned for my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later. Bye.